How to fix your laptop or your computer is not using NVIDIA graphics card. So first you will need to click on the start button and then search for NVIDIA Control Panel and then click on it to open it. And then in the NVIDIA Control Panel you want to go to the Manage 3D Settings, and from here you should be able to select your preferred GPU at the top right here. You can also go into the Global Settings and then scroll down to CUDA GPUs and then select the drop down, select your GPU and press OK. Make sure to select only NVIDIA if you have integrated GPU and NVIDIA. In that case it forces using NVIDIA. And then scroll down to OpenGL Rendering GPU, and from auto select set it to your NVIDIA GPU specifically. And once you do that, just press the apply button right here to apply the changes. Now you can close out of this and then right click on the start button and open up the settings again. And then you want to go to System and then Display, and then scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Now in Windows 11 you should find a button right here called Graphics instead of Graphics Settings. When you click on it, it should be the same page. Make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. And from here you should find a list of apps, including games or whatever apps you're trying to use NVIDIA GPU on. Basically click on the app and click on Options, and make sure to set it to high performance NVIDIA GPU right here. Or you can let Windows decide, but to force using NVIDIA you should select it yourself and then pressing save. If you don't see the application right here, just click on the browse button and just navigate to the application exe and add it there. You can also switch this to work on Microsoft apps as well, and you can select Microsoft Store installed apps to use NVIDIA as well. Now once you change these settings, you will need to restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.